Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect ChatGPT with Discord bots step by step clearly. To connect ChatGPT with Discord bots, start by creating a new Discord bot on the Discord developer portal. Visit the Discord developer portal at discord.com/developers. Click on the Applications tab and then select New Application. Name your application and click Create. In the left sidebar, navigate to the Bot section. Click on Add Bot and confirm by clicking Yes, do it. Once your bot is created, you will see a unique token under the Token section. Copy this token as it will be needed later. Next, head over to your preferred programming environment to start coding. You will need a library to interact with Discord, such as discord.py for Python. Install the library using pip by running the command pip install discord.py. Create a new file, for example, discord_bot.py, in your programming environment. In this file, import the necessary libraries. Set up the Discord client by initializing it with your bot token. Add an event listener for when the bot is ready. Define a function to respond to messages in a channel. To connect ChatGPT, you will also need access to the OpenAI API. Create an account on OpenAI's website, if you don't have one. Get your OpenAI API key from your account settings. Import the OpenAI library into your code. Set up a function to call the ChatGPT API using your key. In your message response function, integrate the call to the ChatGPT API. Make sure to handle errors and manage request limits effectively. Include commands in your Discord bot to trigger ChatGPT responses. Test your bot locally by running your Python file. Invite your bot to your Discord server using the OAuth2 URL generated in the developer. Once invited, type a command in a text channel to see if ChatGPT responds. Debug any issues that arise through console logs and error messages. After confirming it works, consider deploying your bot to a cloud service for better availability. Always keep your tokens and keys secure to prevent unauthorized access. With everything set up, you can now enjoy the seamless integration of ChatGPT in Discord. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.